Hi, this is Ganesh. My roll number is 19BQ1804C1 from EC department. Today I am going to do a seminar video of radar engineering. The topic is display types. First of all, the purpose of the display is to visualize, present the information contained in the radar echo signal in the form of a suitable for operator interpretation and action. When the display is connected directly to the video output of the receiver, the information displayed is called raw video. This is the traditional type of radar presentation. When receiver video output is first processed by an automatic detector, next are automatic detection tracking processor, that means ADT. The output displays is sometimes called synthetic video. Now, a cathode ray tube, that means CRT, have been almost universally as a radar display. There are two basic cathode tube displays. One is the bisection model CRT, such as a scope, in which a target is indicated by the deflection of the electron beam. The other is the intensity modulated CRT, such as PPI, and in which a target indicated by the intensifying the electron beam and presenting a luminance spot on the face of the CRT. Okay, now in general, deflection modulated displays have the advantage of simpler circuits than those of the intensity modulated displays. The targets may be more readily discerned in the presence of noise and interference. Now we'll talk about types of display presentations. The various types of CRT displays which might be used for surveillance and tracking radar are identified as follows. They are A scope, B scope, C scope, D scope, E scope, F scope, G scope, H scope, and L scope, J scope, K scope, and M scope, N scope, O scope, and PPI, that means plan position indicator, and R scope and RHI scope, and etc. Now we will discuss briefly about some of the scopes, and some of the scopes are the first one is I am going to tell about A scope. A scope is nothing but it is a deflection modulated display in which vertical deflection proportional to the target echo strength, and the horizontal coordinate is proportional to the range. It is A scope. Now we will talk about B scope, an intensity modulated display with azimuthal angle indicated with by the horizontal coordinate, and range is indicated by vertical coordinate. And the another one is PPI, plane position indicator, and it is an intensity modulated circular display on which echo signals produced from reflecting objects are shown. Here in the plane position, here we are displayed the echo signals with range, and azimuthal angle displays in polar coordinates, forming a map like display. Next, R scope. It is an A scope with a segment of the time base expanded near the greater accuracy in a distance measurement. Now RHI, that means range height indicator, and an intensity modulator display with the height as the vertical axis and the range as the horizontal axis. Next, here PPI, A scope, B scope, and RHI are among more usual displays employed in radar. And here we are talking about some of the display types. There are also some other display types which I not mentioned, or which are not C display, D display, E display, or some other, but we mostly consider PPI, that means plane position indicator, and second one is A scope, and the next one is B scope and RHI. These are most usually employed in radars. So now I conclude my seminar. now seminar. So this is the topic. Thank you.